How to sound British Part 2. Always say letter A in this word as R. Whenever you want to say this long vowel sound, don't say it as a straight R. Instead, you open your mouth properly, widely, as though you're before a dentist. R. After, after. Father, father. My father came in after the prayers. Class, class, glass, glass. The glass got broken in the class. Rule number 2. Do not pronounce the letter R after a vowel. Nigerians will say letter R, but there's no such letter in the English alphabet. Instead, you say R. It's probably pronounced in the British accent as a long vowel, R. Never pronounce the letter R after a vowel. You don't say car. Instead, you say car. She's just got a new car. She's at the bar in it. My house is very far from yes. Never pronounce the final R. Rule number 3. Pay attention to the final T. Carpet, market, rocket, clarinet, assignment. Hope you learned. Love more.